Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I just got off the call with my friend because if I'm on the call, y'all can't hear me. But today we're going to be doing a massive giveaway, and it's just full of a bunch of OG things. So hopefully we can get a lot done, and hopefully we can bring joy. So all this backpack OG items stuff is full of. So it's full of chocolate hearts, red flashlight, pumpkin pies.
Be a bag.
Okay.
The giveaway is starting.
It's
Pumpkin
a box.
bombs.
Can you give away a box? I really need a box.
I can't give away a box. I'm sorry, I don't have enough.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Wee! Give it!
I can't get anything.
Some.
Yay! So. Alright, guys.
Anyways, that's mine.
You cooked them up.
Anything you want me to. Money talks. Money talks.
That was that much.
Why you guys do that? That's really
Why are
weird.
you scrapping to get up?
I'll take you, man.
Hey, here's one!
Bro. I'm trying to put it in the shredder.
Here. I'll give it that.
Oh, I'm doing another giveaway.
You are. Oh, they don't fall.